Today for the Bitcoin price is falling and falling further. And the most important question right now is, did we already hit bottom here at the $7,630 level, or will we go significantly lower for the Bitcoin price? Well, we want to answer that question and give you significant evidence here coming here from one of our favorite indicators here, the Bitcoin log growth curves. And a few days ago, something very interesting happened here on that indicator. We will talk about all of that, guys, and we will combine it with massive and very important on-chain metrics here. Guys, you for sure do not want to miss out on that. So make sure you take a seat. Make sure you smash up the like button to at least 2,000 likes, guys. Remember, yesterday we hit nearly 3,000 likes. So scroll down, give this video a like right now. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Okay, we are here on the daily candles for the Bitcoin price, and you can see here the Bitcoin log growth curves, and the vertical line here is the Bitcoin halving. You probably remember how we covered this amazing channel here a few times on our channel already. And if you remember it correctly, you remember that this channel is not only predicting the Bitcoin market highs and bottoms, but also where it is temporary topping out here at the $14,000 levels back then, and also here at the $6,420, which was one of the reasons why we made that episode about $6,420 probably being the bottom just a few hours before it happened here in this video. And of course, we had more confluence for this assumption. And today we want to cover why $7,630 might have been the bottom for the Bitcoin price here. First of all, guys, if we zoom in, you can see that the Bitcoin price hit the bottom line here of the Bitcoin log growth curves. And if we zoom out here and we go on the settings of the Bitcoin log growth curves, you can basically see that this indicator is showing us the perfect fit for the market highs, for the market lows, and in between it is showing us the Fibonacci retracement levels, but not only price-wise on the vertical axis, but also adjusting for the time. And this is the most important thing here to understand, because there is no other indicator which is doing that. And if we are zooming into the price right now, and we are here, remember, on the daily price candles, then you can see that this actually holds significance here, because we have massive resistance over here. We find support and resistance, and most of the time the Bitcoin price is actually stair-stepping here in between these different Fibonacci retracement levels. And even if we zoom back, or if we go back here, we can see that always happening here. I mean, you can see the stair-stepping here. Once we break out, we find the support over here, over there, and then eventually at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, we topped out. So this indicator is very important and actually significant when it comes to our opinion to predicting the market bottoms and highs. So now the question is, now that we have hit here the bottom line of this Bitcoin log growth curves, was $7,630 as we can see it right here approximately the bottom for Bitcoin or not? Well, so far the Bitcoin price always, when it hit that level, bottomed out. This is of course not a 100% certainty for us having had the bottom already, but from an historical confidence level of 100% so far, this seems to be very significant. Also, one small exception, we can see the Bitcoin price going below this trend line here, going below the Bitcoin log growth curves, even for a few days having some daily candle closes. But guys, if we are going on the weekly here, you can basically see, let's go in here and zoom in a little bit, that this specific retracement, let's just delete this, was actually not giving us a close, no weekly close below that. So let's go that far. Only if we want to stick with the 100% confidence level here from an historical point of view, even if we wick below, we do not want to see a weekly close below the Bitcoin log growth curves. As long as we don't see a weekly close below the Bitcoin log growth curves, which are in value increasing over time, so the more weeks we stay above, the higher the actual level gets, and at the halving it is $8,380 approximately. As long as we are not closing below, everything is fine. As long as we are not closing below, we would make the assumption from our point of view that $7,630 was the bottom. However, guys, there is more evidence, and one of these evidences is on-chain fundamental metrics, and that's the miners' production costs. They are actually also derived from the Bitcoin hash rate. And as you can see, this guy here, full credits to Byzantine General here, he pointed out both the BTC production cost and average miner cash flow arrive at the $7,700 level. And he is saying this is in a very, very important level. He actually said that already at $8,750, and afterwards the price crashed down and we eventually found ourselves at these price levels. I think we wigged below for 1 or 2 hours, but like maybe not even 1 or 2 hours, but actually we found heavy support here. Does that mean the Bitcoin price cannot go below the average miner cash flow or the BTC production costs? It for sure can go below. It for sure can go below the green line here easily. That happened a lot of times already, and always when that happens, always when the price is going below the miners' production costs, you can actually see this buy signal here. We saw that in November 2019 here when the hash ribbons actually got inverted, and also you saw that here at the $3,150 bottom. So we might see another buy signal here if the price even wicks below, but we don't think we will wick below for a long time. We actually think this is the bottom, or this is very, very close to the bottom. And even if we see another buy signal here, this will be only temporary. And the same thing you can see actually at charts.woobull.com. He is pointing out the difficulty ribbon. You probably remembered always when it gets here inverted, when the short-term moving average goes below the long-term moving average, we are seeing a temporary bottom. So many things right now are pointing towards that fact. Guys, don't put in your life savings onto that bet. We just think that the odds significantly increased right now that this might have been the bottom. Also, remember, we had the Fibonacci golden pocket approximately lining up at that level. We had the gap closed, if you believe in it or not, which was exactly closed also here. And I mean, I don't have to talk about the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index right here being at 17 right now, pointing towards the fact that the environment is extremely fearful. Probably we will get a lot of dislikes here for that also, because many people right now are fearful, many people are scared, and this is the exact environment where the smart money actually at least starts scaling into the market, because they want to buy fear, guys. Also, guys, very important, let us know, do you think that we already hit bottom here at $7,630? There is a poll popping up on top of the screen right now. Click the poll here on top of the screen right now and say yes or no. Did we hit bottom here at $7,630? Yes or no? It would be extremely interesting to see how the sentiment is within our community. Please give this video a like. We want to get at least 2,000 likes here on that video, guys. Remember, yesterday we already got close to 3,000 likes, guys. Thank you so much. Give this video a like. It really cheers us up a lot. And if you want to support us, scroll down here. You find free on-chain data here, and you can also upgrade to advanced data with our partner link here for Glassnode. Make sure you click it, you check it out. And also we have a free Bybit link here. You can set up your own account within 24 seconds. Click that and you get a $90 for free as a deposit bonus, and up to $1,000 for free, which is connected to your trading volume. If you have a high enough trading volume, you get that as a nice side effect, up to $1,000 as a bonus. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.